Hello, are you into computer programming hacking? And do you know that you can write a simple Python code for you to get an information from a website? And do you know that the information you're going to get it using the Python code, you can use that to do your pen testing? So kindly take time for me to teach you. So before you start, you need to install some library packages that will help you to use this code to get the information from any website. So inside your CLI application, either your command prompt or your PowerShell or any CLI application you are using, you will type this command inside the CLI application. So you type pipe install Python WHOIS. So you need to install these library packages in your CLI application, either PowerShell or your command prompt application. So when you finish installing these packages, you will set up your text editor and import this module inside your text editor. So inside your text editor, you import the WHOIS module inside your code. You will type import WHOIS as hack, meaning we are representing the hack as our WHOIS module. So any place you will see hack, meaning we are accessing the module packages from the WHOIS. So when you finish, we want to get a text input from our user so that the user will enter the domain name. So you create a variable called domain and we will assign it to our input function. So inside the input function, you will type enter the domain. So this line of code, we are asking the user to enter the domain of the website, and this domain is the variable that is storing the text from the input. So when you finish, you want to get the information from the domain, which we entered it from the input function. So you create a variable called domain info. So we will assign it to our hack module that is representing as the WHOIS module inside the code, and we use this hack module to access the WHOIS function. And inside the function of the WHOIS, you will type the domain variable that is storing the text input of the domain we entered. So when you finish, you want to display the information in a Python dictionary format. So you're going to use the for loop to display the block of code once. So you type for, and we want to create two variable inside the for loop. That is going to be x and y in domain info. And this domain info is the variable that is helping us to store the information. We are using the WHOIS function here to detect it. So we use that variable to access the item. So you type dot items. So you bring your bracket open and close, and after that you type your column to close it. So when you finish, we are going to use our print to display the variable that is our x and y, and which is helping us to display our information in a Python dictionary format. So you type your x variable and you bring your comma. After that, you come and type your double quote. So inside your double quote, you type column, and after that, you bring comma to outside of the double quote and you come and type your y variable inside it. So when you finish that, you're all set to run your code. So when you run it, you're going to see this in your terminal. Enter the domain. So I'll type the URL of the website I want to find the information from it. So I have a website here called gifttechmedia.com. So I'll type https column // I'll come and type giftech media.com. I'll press enter. So this code will try and give me the information about this URL that I typed in the code. There we go. So you're going to see the information of the URL you typed. So the domain name is giftedmedia.com. So the day they updated this was 2025, and they created this website that was 2021. And here is the time they created and they updated. And the expiration to is going to be 2026. And this is their name of the service, their status, and other information. Please don't use it for anything bad. It is for educational purpose. And again, in case you miss any of these code steps, I'll put a link in the description. Click on it and download the source code. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for me. Thank you very much.